here at CQK with Coach building one of our horse boxes. It was painted and chosen colour from Rebecca Stone on the Facebook promotion, pick me a colour. So I've gone for the new Land Rover Defender blue. So I just walk through some of the features. Emergency rear door, as you can see, amazingly well built and good quality. Now obviously now as standard is a fan, you've got the internal locker storage, 4-stage bulkhead for superb strength, Stallion partition. Now I just need to explain to you that everything is built off site, manufactured properly, so the strength of these is incredible, the build quality. I think I've sold over 80 now and nothing's ever come back with build quality. I think for the price and the value, for money, they are one of the best built horse boxes on the market for the price now. Strengthening floor, I mean look at the strength in that, like you say, strengthening bars all the way around. And behind this panel where the horse sits is a steel metal panel, so that stops it kicking out at the side. So horse safety in mind, not swirls and twirls and fancy flutes, all about horse safety. This is being painted in this rather expensive booth. It's designed especially for horse boxes. So come and see us at CQK. As you can see, when we paint them, everything's prepared proper, everything's taken off. It's about £6,000 roughly to paint one of these at the quality we do. And the paint, we use really high quality paint, which is about £100 a litre. So this is the process. This is Richard, the body shop manager. This is one of the doors, look, as you can see, it's all steel, it's sanded down, and then I'll get it primed and painted. So the finish is amazing, all this will get sealed. So come and see us. If you want a decent horse box that's safe, visit CQK.